Yeah, so continuing with this idea, we're born into a prison, right? So we are imprisoned, right? So the question is, is that the classic Hollywood thing, that it's unjust, right? So we deserve something better, but we're born into a type of prison. But what I want to highlight here is what Plato is saying about us as human beings, right? So we're born in this cave. We have chains on, and we can only look at the shadows on the wall. But eventually, we accept these shadows on the wall. We accept the chains, right? And we accept the cave, right? And so, um, or I don't know, do we accept it, or is it just there? Is it part of us? So, what's going on here, right? What I find so fascinating about the text is, right, again, like I said, it's sort of a prison story, right? And the basic thing of a prison story is that we're there, unjustly, right? We've been framed. We shouldn't be in prison. And secondly, the first thing you want to do is escape from a prison. So we have a prison here, and then we have people that are unjustly put there, we could say, but no one seems to want to get out, right? And so, as you see here, right, they pick one prisoner out and they drag him away and they push him out by force and literally have to throw that person out, right? So I think this really requires, some thought here, right, and some reflection. Um, are we um, are we so? Are we so easily um, sort of manipulated and controlled by this? Does it make sense to us that we, if we only knew this, if we only knew the cave and the chains and the shadows, that we would turn this into some form of truth and some form of reality, and we would accept it, and we would willingly accept it and have chains around our neck and accept these things, right? Um, or and everyone. There's no Neo here. There's no Jesus. There's no Socrates in this story, right? There's not one person who sort of figures it out and says, "Ha, I've now seen the light. Here's the revolution," right? No, in this story, there's no hero. There is no hero in this story. The person is forced out, right? And so, what about that? What is Plato slash Socrates? What are they saying, about the human condition with this move? And what do you think about it, right? Do you agree with it?